Do you own a car or truck that's no longer covered by the original manufacturer's warranty? Did you know that 98 out of 100 vehicles suffer a breakdown after the warranty has expired? Repairs can be expensive when your vehicle breaks down. On average, it can cost $2,000 for the air conditioning system, $1,000 for an alternator. How about $7,000 for a transmission? Let's face it, we're going to have to fix something on a used car. Over time, parts will wear out. Road conditions and weather will cause damage. Now, you can pay these repairs as they arise. A better way, though, might be to plan and budget for these events with a mechanical breakdown insurance. The best mechanical breakdown policy in the business is offered by Mercury Insurance, and it costs less than what most dealers can offer you. Why Mercury Mechanical Breakdown? Mercury offers fully insured mechanical protection from an A-rated billion-dollar insurance company. There's no limit on the number of claims, up to the maximum liability. Mercury pays the mechanic directly, and your out-of-pocket is limited to your deductible. Mercury pays for fluids, filters, taxes, and diagnostic fees for covered repairs. All claims are handled by Mercury, not a third party. Mercury's policies are cancelable and prorated based on whichever is greater, time or miles. If you own a used car or truck, you're eventually going to make repairs. Plan for it by buying the best mechanical protection in the business. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can find more on Facebook, YouTube, and CroninInsurance.com. If you have any insurance questions, leave them in the comments down below, and we might make a video answering your question. Low rates, choice of companies, and personal advice from local agents. Cronin Insurance, the wise choice.